Hello and welcome. Depending on when you see this video, you may come to ChatGPT and you will see a splash screen. And the splash screen talks about the new era of image creation inside of ChatGPT with the new image creator. And you will see examples of the range of the new image creator here in this area. When you come to the chat area and you click on the plus button and you click on create image, you will then see that there are two drop-down menus that you have under your control. You can click on the auto sizing. So the ChatGPT will then determine what size of image that you're going to have. If you want to have a widescreen image, you will need to select it. Otherwise, ChatGPT will determine if your image needs a widescreen and it will deliver what it thinks your image should be. For the sake of this video, we're going to turn on a widescreen image. You will also see another drop-down menu. And you will see 9 styles as of the recording of this video. There may be more or less depending on when you see it. You can choose the kind of image you want, or you can use the default setting. We're going to ask ChatGPT to write a prompt, and we're doing this for 2 reasons. One, we want to be able to keep the prompt for future use on how to use a new image creator, and we also want to archive our activity. Once you have in this prompt, we're going to ask for the prompt. We can then archive the information. We will then copy the response and head to a new conversation. We're going to grab the same file. We're going to paste in our prompt. And we have cut away all of the extraneous information. We are then going to send the prompt. And our infographic is then complete. We can then download our new infographic. If you go to your favorite search engine, you're going to see that there is a prompting guide for the new image creator. Typically, you're going to see that the listing is going to be recent. We can click inside of the prompting guide. In addition to the developer guide, OpenAI does put together a guide for individuals that are not coders to use the new image creation engine. And although fairly basic, you can use this information by printing this page. And for future image creation sessions, you can upload this document. For good measure, we can also print the developer guide. Once we have the document, we can then add that document to our ChatGPT conversation. So we're going to ask for a prompt. We will then take the prompt and move to a new conversation. We have our existing document. We're going to paste in the new prompt. And we're going to await ChatGPT's generation of the image. On this test, the image creator created the image correctly, did not have any misspellings, but covered the wrong text. However, ChatGPT did follow up with the correct image and did produce the correct image in the correct manner in which we specified. So you can use the image creator to create highly detailed prompts for highly specific information in ways that you specify. You will want to make sure that you get the prompt from ChatGPT and influence ChatGPT with the prompting guide. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.